Okay guys, today we're hunting for the wild homeschoolers. They've been rumored to be in this area, so I'm trying to sneak up on them and see if I can find them. Wait, what is that? What's this? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think these must be homeschoolers. They have a book. Oh no, they've spotted me. Oh no, come back, come back. I just want to ask you some questions. Okay. All right, guys, I've caught the homeschoolers. They're here, and I'm just gonna ask you guys, calm down, it's okay. You don't run away. I just wanna ask a couple of questions about homeschooling, okay? Okay. No, come back here, the big one. You too. Okay, everybody knows that homeschoolers are not socialized, okay? So do you guys even know how to make friends?
It's quite easy actually. Depending on what kind of person, all you need to do is walk up to them, say hi, introduce yourself, and once you get to know each other better, you can become friends.
Well, that sounds surprisingly normal.
I don't know how to make friends.
What? You don't know how to make friends?
No, friends are for noobs.
Friends are for noobs. Oh my gosh.
Sad.
What madness is this? Okay, so I guess at least one of you knows how to make friends.
Do you have an answer?
He doesn't,
Nope.
He doesn't talk.
Okay, so I've heard that if you're a homeschooler, you basically just wear pajamas all day. Is that true?
No.
What do you wear all day?
Clothes.
Oh, well that's surprisingly normal as well. Okay. So this is confusing to me. I thought that basically homeschooling is just public schooling at home in your PJs all day.
No, you already heard that we don't wear PJs all day, but...
Well, how is it different from public school then? Do you sit at your desk all day long?
For hours on end.
For hours on end? Yeah.
No.
No?
Yeah.
How is it different?
We learn things that are actually useful.
And it doesn't take as long, and we get to see our friends and family more.
Do it whenever you want, and there's not a limit of time that you have to do.
Oh, well this sounds different and interesting. So, do you guys wish you went to public school?
Not at all.
No?
I just
Oh.
eat from there.
Hang on, the big one's thinking about it.
I don't think so.
No?
Night school, or you get back at 8 o'clock.
At 8 o'clock? Oh my goodness.
PM, not AM.
Oh, that's for the night school kids. That's true, they do.
I
So,
feel bad for them.
that sounds bad to you. What are you normally doing at 8 p.m.?
At 8 p.m. we're usually going to go to bed soon.
Oh yeah?
We're gonna go to a
I'm
little
stepping.
dance and sleep.
Okay. Well, I've heard that homeschoolers, they can't play sports or anything. They don't get to play sports because they're homeschooled. Is that true?
No, honestly, we get more time to do it.
He's interestingly injured.
So you can play sports? How do you play sports if you don't go to school?
Well, what happens is first you have to find a sport, then you have to go kick a ball around and try to get it past the enemy team.
Ah, the big homeschooler, he's got the jokes. So is there sports teams you can get on if you're homeschooled? Okay.
Definitely. Am I still different?
All right, well this is totally going against everything I thought I knew. Now here's another thing. I heard homeschoolers all have huge families. So do you guys have like 12 siblings somewhere?
No, we're the only ones.
What, there's only 3 of you?
Yeah?
Well, and then there's yeah.
Then we have a mommy and a daddy.
Well, that's good.
I think that is.
Okay, along the same similar lines, I heard that all homeschoolers are religious weirdos.
We are. Very much, especially me.
There's Volt.
What? Well, that was weird, I have to admit.
Come back here, big boy.
Never.
Come back, big homeschooler. I'm not done asking questions.
Mr. Big School.
All right, he's coming back. Okay. In all seriousness, people do worry that homeschool kids won't be able to find friends. Like, they'll just be alone all the time and not have any friends.
That's not true.
That's not true.
I feel we gain more friends.
You get more friends.
I have the Bible.
Well, where on earth can you get friends if you don't go to school?
Well,
Because you only take a small amount of time, and then you could go out and then make friends.
Oh,
You have more time to make friends.
you do.
Typically, if one is willing to like search through the neighborhood, one can usually find
Wild children.
yes, well,
Wild children running around?
Yeah.
yes.
But what if you don't live in a neighborhood with other kids?
You could find social activities like soccer, baseball, 4-H, different things like that.
That's what
Oh.
internet
Art
friends are for.
classes. Art classes
Oh yeah,
too.
and
art
you can go
classes?
and like join different groups like 4-H and stuff. Yes. it's
So I
nice.
guess there are other ways to make friends than just in school.
Art classes
No.
are my favorite ones.
Do you feel like you can only make friends with kids your own age, or does it matter to you how old they are?
Nope, it doesn't matter.
Not necessarily. Not
I
necessarily.
have older and younger friends.
Well, that's good. Okay, so when you make a new friend and they say, okay, where do you go to school? And you say, well, we homeschool. What do they usually say back? Like, what's some of the things that they've said in response to that?
My friends usually say, like, how is it when you homeschool? And that's cool. Stuff like that.
I think
Really?
I once had a cousin, and when we told her about well, she was public school. When we told her about homeschool, she said she wished she was homeschooled. She did not like public school.
Yeah.
The public school is prison for kids.
What's
Kid prison.
what? It's kid prison.
Yes. Good job.
Okay, I have one last question for you guys before I can release. Nope. Where are you going, little homeschooler?
Womper, where you go?
Where are you going? Okay, one last question before I set you all free into the wild. I've heard that homeschoolers are weird. Are you guys weird?
Aren't we all weird? I mean, like you. I bet you're weird. Yes, you.
What?
I'm
no,
very
not
weird.
you. I'm talking about.
You're very
I'm
weird.
talking about that one right there.
What? How about you? Are you weird?
Maybe.
Yeah.
I'm the weirdest of them all.
I'm weirder than all of you.
Okay. Well, that's the last questions I had for you guys, so I'm going to release you back into the wild. Thank you, homeschoolers. We'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
All right. We are releasing the homeschoolers back into the wild where they belong. Be free, little ones.
I'm free! Dark you and your dark 20!